No, that's not right. That can't be right.
What? What's wrong, Josh?
My lunch. I don't have it.
You don't have lunch?
No, Becky, I had lunch this morning. I remember it very clearly. Now I don't have lunch.
Okay, hold on. So you had lunch and now you don't have lunch.
Exactly. That's the situation.
That's, not a great situation, no.
It's a very bad situation, especially at this time of day.
All right, Josh, let's slow down a second.
I'm trying. I really am.
Okay, where was your lunch?
In the fridge, the small fridge by the door.
Okay, so there is a fridge.
There he is, yeah.
And there was food inside the fridge.
Yes, there was my food inside the fridge.
And now?
Now there isn't.
All right.
I even opened the fridge twice.
Twice?
Yeah, like something would magically appear the second time, but wrong.
That's very optimistic of you.
I was hungry and hopeful.
Dangerous combination.
I agree, Becky. Very dangerous combination.
Okay, let's do this properly.
Please.
We start with facts. No panic, just facts.
I like facts. Facts are calm.
Exactly. First fact, who has access to the fridge?
We do. You and me.
Right, we have access.
Liam, the writer, has access too.
Yes, he does.
And Mr. Kramer has access too.
Sure, the cameraman.
Yeah, the cameraman.
Okay, so we have how many people?
3.
3?
Wait, 4.
4?
Me, I have access too.
Oh, right.
I always forget to include myself.
Interesting.
What?
Nothing, just noticing.
All right.
Next fact. What kind of lunch was it?
Chicken?
Chicken.
Yes, very clearly chicken.
So, not vegetarian.
Not vegetarian at all.
That helps.
It does?
Yes, it does, because not everyone here eats meat.
Oh, that's true.
Some people don't eat chicken, right?
Yes.
And some people do.
Also yes.
All right, what else?
My name was on the container.
Your name?
Big letters, very clear, very visible.
So whoever took it saw your name.
Yes.
And still took it.
Can you believe that?
That's bold.
Or careless.
Or very distracted.
Yeah, distracted sounds right.
Okay, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
Do you usually forget things?
No, I mean, not usually.
Not usually?
Sometimes, but only when I'm busy.
Were you busy this morning?
Yes, I was.
Very busy?
Very busy.
Okay.
Why are you smiling?
I'm not smiling.
You are?
I'm thinking.
About what?
About habits.
Habits.
Yes, habits, who eats what, who brings food and who doesn't,
That makes sense.
People usually don't change habits.
No, they don't, especially when they're hungry.
Exactly.
So what do we do now?
We ask questions.
Fine, I like questions.
Me too. Questions are useful.
Who do we ask?
The people who have access.
Like Liam and Mr. Kramer.
Yes, that sounds fair.
Very fair. Because right now, I don't have lunch.
And someone does.
Exactly.
All right then, let's hear what they have to say.
Good, because this mystery is small but important.
Especially if you're hungry.
Especially then. All right, Becky. So, we agree on one thing. Someone here has my lunch.
True, and that someone hasn't said anything yet.
We're just suspicious.
Or very human.
That's right. People do strange things when food is involved.
Especially at lunchtime. Ugh.
Okay. Who do we talk to first?
Let's start with Liam, our writer, shall we?
Good choice.
He's usually calm. Well, but he has opinions.
Strong opinions.
Let's hear from him.
Okay, well, first of all, I've got my own lunch.
Strong start.
I've got snacks, I've got fruit, I've even got extra food today.
Extra?
Yes, because I get hungry. That's not a crime, is it? And listen, I haven't got chicken.
No chicken?
None. I don't even like chicken that much.
Interesting.
So no, I haven't got Josh's lunch.
Okay, very clear statement.
Also, just saying,
Yes?
Mr. Kramer's got access to everything.
What do you mean by everything?
The fridge, the kitchen, the schedule. And he's got a big container, a very big container.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
I'm just saying, I've got my food, he's got opportunity.
What do you think, Becky?
That was confident.
Yeah, very confident.
He says he has food.
And he says he doesn't have chicken.
Also, he says Mr. Kramer has access.
And a big container.
Noted.
Do you believe him?
I believe he believes himself.
That's fair.
All right, let's hear from Mr. Kramer.
Yes, I'm curious.
Look, I've got my routine.
Your routine?
Yes, I've got lunch every day, same time, same container.
Consistent.
It needs to be consistent because I haven't got time to steal food.
No time?
No time. I'm working, I'm filming, and I'm carrying equipment.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is, you know. Also, I haven't got chicken today.
You haven't?
No, I've got pasta.
Pasta? Yummy.
Well, cold pasta, sadly. And honestly, if someone here eats extra food,
Yes?
it's Liam.
Oh?
He's got snacks everywhere, on the desk, in the bag, in the drawer.
That's true. Everyone knows that.
So no, I haven't got your lunch, Josh.
Very clear.
And now, I'd really like to finish my pasta.
What do you think about that, Becky?
Interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
So Liam says he has food,
And Mr. Kramer says he has food.
but neither of them has chicken.
And both of them say the other has opportunity.
Classic.
So, what do we know for sure?
We know you don't have lunch.
Painfully true.
We know someone here has it.
Oh boy, yes.
And we know people are very sure about themselves.
Also true.
But something doesn't feel right.
What is it?
Everyone is very certain.
Too certain, you think?
A little, yeah. Maybe we're missing something simple.
Simple how?
Not about stealing,
Okay.
but about mixing things up.
Mixing?
Containers, bags, habits.
Oh, I see.
Because people don't always pay attention.
No, they don't, especially when they're busy.
Or hungry.
Or both.
Exactly.
So, what do we do now?
Now we look closer
At what?
at us.
Us?
Yes, Josh, because we also have access
That's true.
and habits
Also true.
and bags.
Yes?
So before we accuse anyone else, we check ourselves.
Okay. Let's do this calmly.
Calm is good. Very good.
We talked to everyone.
Uh-huh. Yes, we did.
They all have lunch.
They do.
They all say they don't have chicken.
Correct.
And they all think someone else is the problem.
Also correct.
So, what do we have?
What do we have?
Yes. Let's start there.
Okay. I have my bag.
Do you have your lunch today?
Yes?
You have lunch?
Yes, I do.
And what kind of lunch do you have?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Yes.
Only pasta?
I think so.
You think so?
Why are you looking at me like that?
No reason, no. Just curious, you know?
Okay. Now you.
I don't have lunch.
We know.
I have a bag.
You checked it?
I did.
Carefully.
Enough.
You know what's strange?
What?
This morning, I remember thinking, I don't have enough food today.
Okay.
And I remember opening the fridge
Uh-huh.
and seeing a container
A container.
with chicken.
Becky,
Wait, please let me explain.
I'm listening.
I was in a hurry. I had my bag open. I had my phone in my hand. I had, no attention, really.
That already sounds familiar.
I didn't really stop. I didn't really think. I took it.
You took it.
I took the container. I didn't read the name. I didn't check. I just took it.
And you put it in your bag.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I'm really sorry. I honestly didn't know it was yours.
Hey, it's okay.
It is?
Yeah, it makes sense. You were distracted. You weren't trying to steal anything.
Still, I have your lunch
You do?
right now in my bag.
Well, mystery solved.
I feel so embarrassed.
Don't. This is exactly the kind of thing that happens on busy days.
I guess I'm human.
Very human.
So, do you want it back?
Yes, I do. I'm actually very hungry.
Good, because it's still warm.
That's excellent news. Thanks. You know what I like about this story?
What?
At the start, I didn't have lunch.
True.
You had lunch.
Also true.
And we thought it was a crime.
A big mystery.
But in the end,
It was just a mistake. A misunderstanding.
a very human one.
Yes. I didn't mean to take it. I just had it.
Exactly. Sometimes we have things
And we don't even notice.
until someone asks.
Or gets hungry.
Especially then.
If you're listening right now and thinking, that sounds like me, that's okay. We all have moments like this.
Moments where we say, I have no idea how this happened.
But it happened.
And now you know.
So tell us.
Have you ever taken something by mistake?
Or had something you didn't expect?
Share your story in the comments.
Because learning English is also about sharing real moments. Messy ones, funny ones, human ones.
Thank you for listening to What the Fun English.
We're glad you're here.
And we'll be back soon. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.